Hey guys, sorry it's been such a long time. I'm still working out camera issues, unfortunately, so this is going to be another short video, but I thought I'd do an EDC procurement update. Spyderco Native, made in the good old US of A, CPM S30V, really nice textured handles, comes razor sharp from the factory. Comes with a pocket clip as well. Standard thumb hole that you see on most Spydercos. And it is a frame lock. And again, sorry for the short video, still having camera issues, but I will try to keep you guys updated as best I can with all the good gear and stuff that I can review for you guys, and I'll see you later. Remember, if you like these videos, drop a like, comment, say what you want me to review next. Maybe I'll do it.